Hello to all you beautiful and amazing humans. If you love modern, contemporary, open concept, luxury homes, especially here in the Greater Sacramento area, then you've came to the right place. You guys, I am in Fair Oaks, California, and wait till you see this amazing new build. Come on. All right, you guys, sorry to interrupt your tour. I'm Joubert Caston, local real estate advisor in the area, but most importantly, a very proud girl dad. You are inside a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home here in Fair Oaks, California. And I have to interrupt the video to show you guys my favorite thing about this home. Check this out. It's a hidden pantry. Absolutely love this. Automatic light goes on when you open the pantry. This is here in this lovely kitchen area. Love what they did with the concept of this kitchen. But my favorite thing about this place by far is this hidden pantry. Okay, stop it. Enough already. Back with the show. Bye. All right, you guys, I hope you really enjoyed that home tour. Once again, I'm Joubert Caston, and if you love modern contemporary homes as much as I do, like, subscribe, make sure you get notified, follow this playlist because I'm gonna be bringing you guys nothing but modern contemporary homes with huge open layouts that are new builds here in the Greater Sacramento area. Enjoy yourselves, take care, stay blessed, take care.